Welcome to the course on securing Azure Open AI Services. In this course, you will learn how to protect AI-powered applications in the cloud using Azure's built-in security, identity, and compliance tools. You'll gain practical knowledge to secure your AI workloads, safeguard sensitive data, manage access, and maintain compliance with the industry standards. So we've structured this course in 4 sections, each containing focused video lessons. Section 1 is about the introduction to Azure Open AI Security, talking about the overview of Azure Open AI Services and emerging security risks. Also about exploring Azure security fundamentals for AI, introduction to role-based access controls, multi-factor authentication, and API key management in the AI context. Also, you will learn to understand the shared responsibility model in the Azure Open AI deployments. Second section is all about implementing security best practices for AI workloads, implementing role-based access control, using Microsoft Entra ID for AI services, also about configuring MFA for admin and for service accounts as well. You will learn how to secure API endpoints, managing API keys, and implementing least privileged access, and see about how to use Microsoft Defender for Cloud and implementation of workflows and AI workloads. And also we'll talk about implementation of network security best practices, network segmentation and private endpoints, NSGs or network security groups for AI resource isolation. We'll also mention content filtering and data loss prevention or DLP strategies. So section 3 will be about secure deployment and lifecycle management of AI solutions, talking about designing secure AI solution architectures in Azure, about identity, data, and network security layers, and about how to integrate and compliance and threat detection tools, using Azure policy to enforce governance and security standards, and also will mention conducting security audits and compliance reviews during deployment phase. Lifecycle management practices, versioning, drift detection, and change auditing is something we'll also talk about, and of course about secure decommissioning of AI resources. And the final section will be about compliance, monitoring, and maintenance, ensuring compliance with Microsoft and industry standards. We'll also talk about monitoring AI workloads using Azure Sentinel and real-time threat detection and investigation. We will see how to correlate logs and signals across services and how to use Azure Key Vault to manage secrets, tokens, and certificates. We'll set up automation and security alerts for AI workloads, and we will talk about using Monitor, Azure Logic Apps, and Sentinel playbooks within the Azure. Also, we will mention response automation workflows for threats and misconfigurations, and finally, we will talk about continuous improvement through audit trails and feedback loops. So by the end of this course, you'll have the skills to confidentially secure your AI applications end-to-end and ensure they operate safely, reliably, and in compliance with the organizational and regulatory standards. So let's get started.